Go.
Okay, so look at this. This thing has brown stuff. It has brown stuff in it, and
Tell them about your show first. This is a food show.
it's a food show. So
Food review.
a food for you.
Food review.
Food for you.
Review.
For you.
Review.
Review.
Yeah.
So this brown stuff.
Okay.
It looks like it's good and smushy.
Okay.
And then then there's white stuff. It's really good.
Where's it came? Where did it come from? Argentina.
Argentina. These chicken come from Argentina.
And then.
And
what else?
pasta, rice.
What do you think about the food? Describe it. Let me see this is your show.
And
Put this mic.
it's really good. And look at these good stuff. It sticks together. And those things are really good. It's really brown, tasty, really tasty,
And delicious.
and really delicious. It's really good. Even it has smushed things inside.
Okay. The end. Say thank you for watching my show.
Thank you for watching my show. I will see you tomorrow.
It's called Leila Food Review.
Layla Food for you
Review.
for Facebook.
Review.
And you could go to my .com thing about
Leila.com.
Layla.com about all the food you want to have or cook.
Okay. Say goodbye. See you tomorrow. Same time.
Bye. I'll
Wink,
see you
wink.
tomorrow.
Wink, wink. There you go.